Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign player using ticket in standard player ticket feature of eFootball 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the mission or objectives, or how to challenge the event and contract a new player for your squad. And we are going to start now. Just tap the contract, and this one, standard player ticket, sign player using ticket. If you have tickets, you can do it in exchange here. Get standard player ticket to enter standard player draws. For example, there are going to be take a time. You have to play more matches, more event to get a player tickets. For example, you can get 5 star. This is the star. You can get 5 star ticket to get the 5 star player. And also, I'm just mostly my player is from standard. From a standard player tickets. This squad, 70% from standard player ticket that I've got from completing the objectives. So the point is you have to play more event, play more matches, and win it to get the rewards. And you can exchange with player using that ticket. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.